2 months ago, I made a video on how to bake a cake without an oven, and that video went viral. So today we are going to be making a coconut cake without an oven. And these are the ingredients I will be using in this video. To begin, I start by creaming my butter. After that, I go ahead and add my sugar. So I'm going to be creaming this until I have a fluffy texture. Once I'm done creaming, I'm going to be setting that aside. Then into a dry bowl, add in your flour and your dry ingredients. Mix well to combine together. Then go in with your coconut chaff, mix well and set that aside. Crack in your eggs into a separate bowl and add in your liquid ingredients. Mix well to combine together and also set that aside. So I'm going to be adding my powdered milk into my coconut milk, and I will be mixing this and also setting that aside. So we are going to be mixing all the ingredients together to form a cake batter. And to achieve that, I start by adding my egg mixture into my already creamed batter. Mix well and then go in with a little bit of flour. Continue the process until the dry ingredients and the egg mixtures are exhausted. Then go ahead and add your coconut milk. Mix gently until everything is well combined together. Once you are done mixing, transfer your batter into an already greased pan. So I'm just going to be adding these fresh coconut flakes on top of the batter to give it a nice look. Once you are done, transfer your batter into an already preheated oven. And of course, we are going to be making use of our pots to bake. Cover and allow to bake for at least 30 to 45 minutes. So after 30 to 45 minutes, this is how our cake looks like. To be sincere, coconut cake is one of the cakes that I can eat without getting tired of eating because it tastes so delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you are a lover of coconut cake. And if you haven't tasted coconut cake, I think you should try this because you are definitely going to love this. Remember to come give your testimony after trying this recipe, okay? In case you need the full recipe, I'll be dropping the full recipe in the description box below. Please do well to check it out, okay? And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer every question that is being asked. My name is Sylvia Chimdima. In case you are coming across this channel for the first time, please subscribe to this channel if you have not. Bye for now, and I'll see you on my next video.